You spend your time off trying to hide. But the universe I'm from is designed to keep you trapped. And then you realize very quickly, and then you start to take could be your last. And twice we like, there's no point in fighting back. But the worst part is that when you die, you respawn just very over again. Not again! I can't keep respawning over and over. This is too much. This night is coming. I should tell them. I should be a hero to save them from the endless respawn loops. I'm sorry. It's hopeless. Me and my friends are stuck here forever. Hi guys.
So, dude, why so glum, chum?
This is game, but there's an endless survival and suffering. You die and spawn. You wait, you die and spawn. It's terrible, you're crazy man. It's burn them all. I still gotta talk to do my missions incomplete. Only a shot once can be lucky release. And I know this is time for what's your shit that day. If you watch anyway, you're the same.
He's despawned! I'll reappear back at the top!
We have to stop it!
We can't! Didn't you see? The worm couldn't pierce its scales! It's too powerful!
There was a legend! Back in my game! An ancient golden apple! They said it could weaken the snake! Slow it down! Where is it? I've been looking for it my whole miserable life! For what felt like an eternity! I've never found it! No one has! Until us! Lucy, Liam, you two go back to the slap tower and rebuild the room piece by piece. Once he's back to normal, find some way to go back here and find his snake again.
Magic happening! You can't miss us! It's not a miracle!
Appleman, you now go back to the hungry snake war. You have to find the golden apple. It's our only chance to end this. These apples, they were my friends. They were the best thing to go for fruits anyone could have asked for.
No, it had to be this way. Not for much longer. You two are looking for the golden apple, right?
Yeah, right.
The legends always said that the golden apple could only appear to the last living hope. I finally understand what that means. For the relic to be visible, all of us must die. Save for one.
Okay, it's my turn to end this right now.